Walking through a dream, I see you. My light in darkness, breathing hope of new life. Now I live through you and you through me, enchanting. I pray in my heart that this dream never ends. I see me through your eyes, breathing new life, flying.
Hey, Netcha. Hey, whoa, is my voice too loud? 1, 2, 1, 2. Probably not, I guess. Okay. So I need to write a GIMP plugin now. Okay, so here's my problem. Okay, so I have these assets. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh, I merged them down, okay. And eventually I need to add a shadow. But the shadow is sort of separate from the actual assets. So I need a way to easily line them up, even when I'm exporting them into their minimal sizes to build them in a sort of atlas sheet. So what I need is a way to export the information of everything's position relative to each other, I guess. Okay, let's start with that. 500 by 500. Okay. I started writing a sort of plugin Let's go edit it. Hello, Ugbu1. Long time no see, yeah. Oh man, I dislike plugins. Writing plugins. What is that? It gives me errors? I don't really want to see errors. Comic Sans. Are you sure? Wow, that guy, whoever wrote this made a check to make sure you're not using Comic Sans. First, do a quick sanity check on that font. Okay, so I actually got myself some documentation. This. What do I think of Java? I used to like it. I didn't touch Java in like 6 years. It used to be my main language. What is that? Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, nice. I really want to get into Lua and Love 2D. Or even ask, what is it? Axel. Yeah. I also want to try Axel at some point. Wait, this is not what I'm looking for. What is that? This isn't Python. Yeah. Okay. We won't need that anymore. Okay. Studying Java, and it seems fine. Java is pretty fun. There's a lot of things you don't need to think about when you're in Java. And if you learn Java, you're gonna be pretty good at C# anyway. It's pretty much the same thing. And if you know Java, when you jump in Python, you're gonna find it pretty easy. Even though it's nothing alike, Python is actually gonna start to look really clean after you know like Java. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the bit of history, like if you look at that, C# programming language, multi design goals, not that. I can see it. So James Gosling, who created the Java programming language in '94, the originator of Java called C# an imitation of Java. Gosling further said that C# is sort of Java with reliability, productivity, and security deleted. Wow, these guys are like mad. Wait. See, since the release. Syntax. The core syntax of C# language is similar to that of other in Java in particular. Yeah. Some notable features of C# that distinguish it from C. By design, C is the programming language the most direct. Oh, interesting. Oh well, I can't find the information I was looking for. Oh, maybe this. Yeah, interesting. There used to be more in the Wikipedia article. Whoa, what is that? Oh, this is what I wanted to find. Hey, Corum. There's one more thing I can't find. Oh, wait. What? That's weird. Stop telling me that? Oh, that's actually useful. Okay, that's what I wanted to find. So the PF in float string text color image layer channel drawable toggle bool radio option spinner brush pattern. Okay, let's try that. Where's that? Image filter language Python foo. If I click other, nice. Okay, that's useful. Difference between string and text. I think string might just be a single word. Well, this might be more text. Wait, let's just see. Word. Background color. Okay, we're all the way at the top. Okay, you see, like this string is just like a simple text box, but the texting is like multi-line, and it also has a scroll bar. You see, no scroll bar, no nothing. And this one, let's try. You see scroll bars. It's kind of annoying because there's so much stuff. If I scroll that up, oh, it doesn't resize. I mean, it's not bad for like some UI that you get for writing those lines. Okay, let's go check more. What is that? Ratio width?
I am a robot.
Thanks for follow, Pavol Senko. Let's try create a new layer. So I can use input image, input layer. Really cool. Which channel? Input drawable. So that's the same as a layer, isn't it? I can't tell what the difference is. I'm picking the exact same options. Shadows. What's the difference between this one? Shadow? Okay, that's a toggle. That one is a bool. So visually there's no difference. Huh. JPEG, JPEG. By the way, this is Python, but it looks really ugly because it's a GIMP plugin. Oh, Sense is the default, right? Okay. I need a way to get the list of layers. How do I call this? 2018. I'm gonna call it the export offset. Let's look at this really fast. Is wait, they're not highlighted. F isn't used. Hey, Creature Cloud, welcome. Oh, did I miss that 2 minutes ago? Wow. Okay. Let's close that. Here's what I'm working on. In my game, I have a lot of assets. And some assets are built from multiple different parts. So I can have like the actual image, some shadow, maybe some lights. Anyway, so when I start to build my sprite sheets, like that, I want each part to be like as compact as possible. So this makes that different parts of this, they are no longer aligned. So I need to figure out the information about their offsets relative to each other's. So I'm writing a little plugin that's gonna loop through all my layers, and they're gonna export to a file. Okay, for example, if we look at this guy here has a sort of a corner right there that is not the same corner as the top of the image. So it's gonna export the information. So for this specific one, it would tell me 1811. And then for the other one, number 2, it would do the same thing, but from this guy's corner. So I want the plugin to loop through all of those and export this data. Essentially, this is my master file, but it's not optimized. So this is all my different assets. They get compact into a nicer thing. They're closer together. And then when I start doing that with all the other assets, each of them get different sheets. So like at this point, I lose all information about their relation to each other's. So I need to export that somehow and then process it so that I can get the information from the original master file into the game. Okay, I want that. It doesn't really save any memory. The thing that it saves is draw calls. Let's lower the music a bit. When I have everything in an atlas like that, I can draw like this one, and then this guy, and then this guy, and then this guy, and maybe 20 others. And they can all be done on one draw call. While if they're all individual images, then I'm gonna need one draw call for each one. And then also if I have two of the same one is drawn twice in the same like screen. So maybe I draw this one and then I go to this one, draw that one. When I come back to this guy, unless I sorted them so that the same ones are drawn at the same time, then I would have two draw calls for even the same texture. And sometimes you can't really sort them, because if something is placed on top of something else, then like you can't sort it anyway, because you want to preserve the draw order. Well, I mean, I'm sure there's ways to do it, but I mean, it's easier to just have one big sprite, one big atlas, and then draw them all at the same time. This is so annoying, those little notifications. Okay, let's remove all of that. Except, actually, let's just remove all of that. Whirl pinch. I want image drawable. Okay, let's start with that. Yeah, me too. I'm trying to figure it out right now. Oops. Export layer offset. So that's the thing I just created. Boop. Input image. Input drawable. Okay. So that's a start. Let's create a new image. I'm learning it as I go. So it doesn't show the menu when I'm in the image. To be honest, I don't even think I should be giving it a drawable. I feel like that's useless. Okay, let's add PyGUI. Let's grab like a random one like radio, or let's grab the file name because I'm actually gonna use that. I'm gonna use both of those actually. Directory. I guess I don't need to do underscore. Probably I can even put spaces if I want. Does it not show up, or do I need to click it? I guess I need to restart GIMP. I must have changed something important. I wonder why it doesn't show the first one that I put. This image, input image. Is it just auto-selected or? Okay, so now there's a bunch of little secrets with the Python stuff. Console. And then I can do browse to find all the function. Layers. Get layers. Okay, how do I use this? Let's check that one. Hey, Sebi. Sebi. Welcome. Okay. This is a secret BBV. What is GIMP? I want to try this. Life. It's supposed to play the game of life in GIMP. Oh, is it using a sort of cheat? Python life? Oh, it creates a window. Huh. Where is it? Image filters, map life. Oh, I need to create a new. Let's try 1000 by 1000. Filters, map, life. Playing life. How slow is that? I don't see anything. Let's cancel that. Maybe I'm supposed to draw something else. Like a pixel, maybe? Or maybe it works on black and white. Did it do anything? Maybe I need a smaller image just to test. Ah shit, I didn't want to press that. Let's try 50 by 50. I believe I need to use white instead. What? Oh well, I don't understand. Maybe it's broken. Why is this so hard? Alright. Oops. What was the... Nah, I forgot the hotkey for... I have a tile-based puzzle. It depends what you want to do. If you decide that you don't, you want to let free movement, it gives you slightly more work. But if you restrict it to the tile, then it's really simple. But in some cases, it gives you more freedom to make harder puzzles if you let the player control it, like all the in-betweens. Like, I think I played a game recently that I didn't like it. That they did free form controls. Let's see if I can find it. I think that's that. Nope, not that. Oh, app crashed. I can find it. It was this game. Actually, I think I can find it. Check that. So this guy it's a puzzle game, but you can see like it locks when I'm in the center. Okay, I need to lower the sound. Okay. So I'm able to move from one tile to the next, but if I'm in the middle, I can't. I need to complete the movement. Okay, so how does it work again? Forgot. Oops. Press start to play. Oh, okay. Okay, I need to switch my color. You win. So now I'm blue. How do I go red? Or yellow? What? Those buttons are so awkward. Oh. Okay. So now there's monsters, and this is where I start to not really like the mechanic. I think, I'm not sure, maybe not. Oops, wrong color. Yeah, you need to try it. Maybe you're gonna figure out that you like the other way. There's a bug with GIMP, I think. If I'm not sure how to cause it, but it makes one window not go the right way. Layers. So I give you the image as a parameter. It returns two values. That's what I don't understand. Number of layers. How do I use that? Right, this is Python. I can do like some really cool stuff. I can do layers equals dot my function. Let's move that over there. Dot GIMP image get layers image. Oh, we made it there. Okay, this is working. Now I need to somehow figure out something. What? Is that a tuple? There we go. Okay, Python. So I'm able to do this. Okay. So the way this works, get layers. This is one thing I wish more languages add. You can return multiple values, and then on this side I can grab them with that. If I were to design my own language, it wouldn't be exactly like that, but I kind of like that at least it has something. Okay, let's do that. How do we do text concatenation in Python? Hey, John Games. I'm so rusty. Actually, I guess I can just go in the Python interpreter and then just try it myself. Python. Is there a way to make this black? Well, can Lua do this? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2. Dun, dun, dun. ABC, ABS plus 1. That doesn't work, okay? So how do I do that? I forgot. Oh, string of that. So ABC plus string of 1. Oh, okay. Of nums. Layer offsets. Game crash error. To be on the safe side. So I did something bad. Oh, no, okay. No idea. Oh, did I just... I really did that, didn't I? Thanks, the Quardy. Ah, shit. I need this to be a different layer. Two. I have 2 layers. Okay, now I'm getting get layers. So this thing is giving me a number. So this is what I'm printing. And then layer IDs. The list of layers contained in the image. The return value must be freed with G-free. Huh. Is that a G-free? Where's G-free coming from? Is that a Python thing? What is that? Let's read that. Free. So I'm using G-free on the row. G new. Maybe those nodes don't apply to Python? Okay, I forgot how to do a for loop now. I'm really rusty. I haven't really coded in Python in like a year and a half, I think. For X in layer IDs. I believe that should work. I'm writing a Python plugin for GIMP. Layer. Actually, I need string of X. Oh, right, I'm putting those everywhere. Good thing Python doesn't crash on that. What will it do? It will output the location for each of my layers. So instead of me having to go for each one, figuring out where they start, it's gonna output that for me automatically. Layer 2, layer 3. Can I clear that? Clear. Can I redo? I wonder why not. So I'm getting an ID. 3, 2, and I had 2, okay. Now how do I use that? What am I supposed to do with this number that I'm getting? This project returns a list of layers. Get name the item. GIMP item get name. I don't understand at all. What am I supposed to do with an ID? From this. And I can't find any other way to... Okay. I guess I have to do it the hard way. gonna have to read what this does. It's so annoying because it's coded in a different way completely than the examples I'm reading. There's a lot of hidden code that I don't see here. Plug in, export layers. I'm getting image args. What is going on with args? There's a lot of stuff that looks interesting, but I can't... What is imported here? Oh, I remember doing that from Future. Okay, so I do have access to the... Oh! Okay... Get parasite list. Process layers. Who's calling that? Oh, this guy? Where is this value coming from? Layer image offset? Wait, what? Convert ID to name? Image ID? I don't understand. So he wants to get the X and Y position of each layer. You can... I need to test that. That looks like incredibly useful. Image list 0. Untitled. That works. Once the image points to your desired image, just use 4 layer. Ooh, 4 layer in image layers. Print. Yeah, let's use that. Layer dot offset. Is there another thing like layer dot name? Because I think that's what I want. Layer background. That works. Oops. Layer background. Okay. Why can't I? Oh. So there's image list. Let's go browse. Image list. So this returns a number. Image IDs. Yeah, I'm completely confused about that. I guess it's not the exact same function then. Yeah, whatever. Ignore that. So this is what I want, offsets. And this output, okay, so let's redo for layer in image.layers. I'm gonna do print layer.offsets 109, 122. $109, 122, perfect. Let's redo that again for im layer. I figured that would crash. Okay, that's what I want. So I think I can just use, okay, let's delete that. For each layer in, so I have my image. So am I able to do image.layer? Let's do layers equals image layers. Okay, for each in layers. Layer. Let's remove that. Layer dot name. That works. Lucky. Okay, this is way easier than I thought, I guess. This is nice. I guess I don't even need a JSON, not really. All that I need is to output lines. Okay, so how do I write Python? Write to file. Hey, nice. Did you also manage to do like the transition, like when you're moving from one to the next? Or does it just teleport? Oh, nice. Ooh, this is nice. This should be as simple as with open some file append Nice. Do not use OS line zip as line there. Okay, I'm gonna use right. Okay, let's try that. With open. And now I need my directory. I need it to be a file. Yeah. I'm guessing both of those are strings. There's one way to find out. pdb.gimp message type of image file pdb. Whoops. Type of deer. String, perfect. With open dir plus file. Actually, right before I do that, perfect-ish. Okay. With open dir plus image file as file. I'm too lazy. F dot write, actually forgot the most important part. Okay, right. Okay. If right, I'm gonna write my layer. Layer name, that's rather. There we go. Test point text. Whoa, it works. Well, I'm kind of proud of myself now. whatever. Wrong one. Oh, never mind. It was the right one. Can I just do that? X plus X Y plus Y. Oh. I want 2 layers. There we go. Export. This is not valid Python. Where did I make a mistake? Not here. Plus X. Come on. Maybe this is not valid Python. I don't want to do that. Let's just go back, recopy this. M equal gimp.image. Is there autocomplete? Ooh, there is. Image.layers x y equals layer.offset. Print. Okay, that works. Oh, in that case, that's the reason it crashed. Maybe. Okay. How do I stop that from ever happening? This? Oh, am I supposed to close the file? No, because of with open, right? Why does it always default to 180p? It's still gone. Now it's there. What? There we go. Layer background. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So for some reason, there's a line. This line maybe? Well, now I can't even tell if it's crashing. Weird. So it's working now. Oh, I forgot the plus again. I could have sworn I proofread that. Wee. Okay. Let's try it on the real data. Also, we don't need this anymore. I think I can get rid of all of those. Okay, file export layer offsets. What? So it doesn't go in the layer group? How do I do it then? Is it recursive? Seems list images has been renamed to image list. Oh wow. Is there a note? Okay, there is. GIMP. How do I find okay, I need a way to inspect Python. Python attributes. Okay. Filters. Actually, let's make sure. Okay, am I able to... Okay, let's copy that. Let's get that. GIMP.image list. GIMP image untitled. Okay, now I want to see. Oh. Are they in alphabetical order? They are. So I can see my layers. Okay. Okay. Actually 4 layer in dot layers dir of layer. Let's redo that. Print. Okay. So I can see 2 layers indeed. Okay. I just need to read this easier. Oh, this is a really good debugging tool. That's why I like Python. Okay. I have layers in here. What about the other one? Is there layers here? Oh, there's one that's different. I think layers is just not here on the other one. Yeah. Okay. This isn't really required, but I'm putting it anyway. Right layers. I'm gonna take a layer. Okay. How do I do this? It needs to be recursive. Bum, bum, ba-dum. So I start from one layer. If it has more, loop through them. For each one, right? It's a recursive function. I'm so rusty for some reason. I guess I didn't do any real coding in a while. I've been like designing systems for so long. Okay. So I get my layers right here. Okay. Okay. I need to loop through everything recursively. How? Like, this is really simple, but for some reason there's something bugging me. What is it? Okay, let's do it simple first. I give you a layer, you write it to the file. That's it. What? I give you a layer, you write it to the file, you don't do anything else. So now I can use this, write layer. There we go. So that's one part. Now I want to loop through the layers. Oh, I already closed the other one. If has attribute Okay, let's move that. Loop layer. Okay, with file open. Wait a second. I need F. I need F. This is one thing I like about non-static languages. Or is that what I wanted to say? Non-strict languages? Oh, whatever. This isn't required now. Okay, so I'm looping through all my layers in my image. I'm looping through all of them, so... Wow, I wrote that word so much that now it doesn't register as a word anymore. Okay, so I want to loop through all my layers. So I go in here, convert my thing for each layer. If I have the attribute layer, I may be able to reverse the logic here. Maybe it works. Loop through all my layers. If it has the attribute layer, loop there. Else. How do you do an else? Was that how? That worked. Nice. Just found out that partition table died on my laptop. Oh, that doesn't sound great. I think the partition table, isn't that the thing that's used to find the files in your... What was a partition table? Isn't it part of like the what was it called again? Like the... Oh, whatever. It's something really low level though. Oh, there are softwares to repair that. Yeah, the sectors. Partition table is a fixed type. Yeah. How did you figure that out? Did you notice a certain problem with your computer? Did it stop booting, or did you have to check to see that it was broken? Oh, this is so awesome. Oh, I don't know if you guys can appreciate what I just did there, but like, this is awesome. And once that the Windows wasn't starting, how did... Oh, so I guess you already had that happen before. So that's probably why you knew. But like, there could be like hundreds of reasons why Windows wouldn't start. Oh, this is way too awesome. Oops, I didn't mean to close that. Don't close it. Okay. I'm just closing it, opening it back, closing it again. And I'm about to close it again right as soon as it starts. Because I realize I want to rename the file. Close it. Oh. What is that one? Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm able to go in here, export layer offset, poop, and magic. Yeah, I'm really close from like just installing Linux and getting rid of all my Windows related stuff. Just back up everything I want to keep and then reinstall like a clean install. Give this computer a massive speed boost. Okay, I want now to This is such a nice little nifty plugin. Is there a way to lock this scroll bar so that they scroll together? I guess not, right? Okay, now let's just understand what's going on, how I use this. Hmm. 312, 353. Perfect. 1811. That's nice. $353 minus 11, $342. Bam, bam, bam. So I just have to do the bigger one minus this one. This side minus this side. This side minus this side. I guess I can revert them in that case. This minus that. This minus that. I need a quick way to do that. Preferably. Is there an easy way to crunch those numbers? And the problem is that five. For example, the problem is that 9, for example, here there's a 9, while here there's no 9. So in that case, there's no offset to be calculated. The 10 needs to continue matching up with the 10. 11 needs to continue to be with 11. I'm so happy I wrote that. It's so elegant. How do I do it fast? Can I do it from this plugin already? Write the plugin so that it automatically figures it out. Def get. Actually, there's too much white space now. Def get layer from name, something like that. I take the image, the name, that's it. So I take the image, then I do find for layer in image, okay, image. We might even rename that to image. Oh. I want it down there. For each layer in image.layers. What team is that? My own team. You're talking about the color, right? You can get it from the store if you search for Appos team. By the way, welcome to the stream, Sir Click a Lot. I feel like I've seen your name before. Hey, no problem. Oh, there's 32 downloads. That's kind of cool. But I feel like maybe I read your chat lines before. Because I remember making a joke in my mind, in my head, when you wrote something at some point. Making a dwarf colony management. That actually sounds cool. Get layer from name. For each layer, if it has I think I'm supposed to return two values. If it succeeded and the layer. If it doesn't succeed, the layer is none. Okay. So I can do I'm not even sure if that's how you write the word. Nice. Okay. So if I have attribute layers, I want to do the same thing again. Get layer from name. If success, do that. Otherwise, wait. Now this if else if layer dot name equals Isn't there another way in Python to check if string is equal? Python compare string. Apparently I can use double equal name. If this equals name, return true layer. And the default case is return false none. Is this good enough? Loop through all the layers. If there's more layer, if it's a folder, redo that again. And then if this equals the name, return true, return the layer. Otherwise, keep looping. If you end the loop, return false. Let's say we're here, return false, no, keep looping. That works. Now, how do I use it? I just got an idea and now it just vanished. What was it? Right. Well, that sucks that I closed everything. I need that. Digits. The default should be 2. Now I can get in here digits. Okay. Okay. Right layer. Now you're gonna take image. No, that's not gonna work. Actually, it might if I add. We're gonna take image. We're gonna give him image twice. If layer dot name dot length, I need to check everything right now. Python 2 string. I remember doing that in Python 2 a while ago. I wonder if it's still the same in Python 3, but... Okay, if length of this equals digits. Now I need to pass that in. It's kind of sucking, but I don't care. Get layer from name. I give you the image and I give you the if it does not equal, that's cool. Whatever. If the name does not equal digits, then I want to get layer from name. Then I give you layer dot name concatenate. How do I Python 2 string? I want to cut. How do we call that again? Split. Forgot the name. Was it split? Because split splits them in an array. But I want to take. Oh, right. So I can get layer from name, and I give you success, and then L for layer. Okay, success. Why am I still having that on that side? It's kind of annoying. Okay, right layer. If layer does not equal the amount of digits that I asked for, success L, cut the name by the amount of digits. Okay, if success, then I can do that. L.offset, this is gonna be x1, x1, x2, x2. So I give you the layer name xy, offset, okay, xy is that. Let's cut it in 2 lines. X1, X1. Offset. X1 minus X2. Y1 minus Y2. Something like that. Are we ready? Let's just make sure that it runs correctly. Okay. So I create this guy, painted black. I have this layer 1 copy. Yeah, whatever. Layer 1 copy. Whoop, like that. Painted white. Okay. Now, when I run this script, it should give me 62 by 57, if I did it right. name digits. I need to change that. Oops, where is that? Okay, restart, I guess. Make it black, white. There we go. Make this there. Oh, that was the hotkey, nice. Okay. Run. $55 by $53. $55 by $53, we did it. Now I do write the layer name nice. Okay. Export layer offsets. Whoa. Okay, let's just make sure. So 9 is skipped because there's none. That's really good. This is not the most efficient algorithm, but it works. Okay, let's just make sure number 1. $294, $342, $294, $342. Amazing. Let's skip to like number 9. Oops. Okay, the 9 is the one that we don't have. Let's try this one. 18. Okay. $18. $67 by $278. 67 by 278. Yep, it works. Imagine if I had to do that by hand for everything in here. I would like kill myself. I mean, it might have been even faster than writing this little script, but like, well. Yeah, actually the reason I want this script is because if eventually I decide to modify the assets, this is gonna give me like the result right away. Okay, I'm tempted to end the stream there. It's so already pretty late. I think I'm gonna stream earlier tomorrow. Maybe like near like maybe 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock maybe. In the morning, that is. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you have a good evening. Peace.